Today we're going to check out Mercedes-Benz Ambient Lighting. It can be found from the A-Class all the way up to the G-Class, and we've currently got an S65, and a little bit later we're going to check out some GLBs and see how they compare. There's actually two ways to control the ambient lighting. The first way is through the M-Book system, which will give you access to all the settings. The second method is through voice activation. Change the ambient lighting to green.
Ambient light green.
And it's as simple as that. So to access the ambient light settings, what you need to do is go all the way across to vehicle settings, scroll down to light settings, ambient light settings, and they're all there. So once you're in the ambient light settings, you can go straight across to colour, where you've got access to 64 different colours all across the spectrum. I'm going to pick a lovely red colour, I think. Perfect. And then you also, if you go across again, you have access to the brightness settings, where it controls the rear, front and display ambient light settings. Now, if you want to control the separate areas of the car, you can go across to brightness zones and then head back over to the brightness settings, and now I can control the rear, the front and the display. Now you might want to reduce this if you're driving at night and you want to reduce your chance of getting distracted whilst you're looking at the speed clusters, but at the same time keeping the rest of the ambient lighting at full brightness. In order to have more than one colour at any one time on in the car, you have to enable the multicolour setting, where you have 10 different presets to choose from. Now this is where it really shows what the ambient lighting can do, and you can really have a lot of fun with it. When you've got a multicolour selected, you can actually animate it using the multicolour animation effect, and what this does is it takes the two colours that you've got selected and gradually swaps the two colours over. Now this does take a long time, but you will notice it during your journey. There's also a welcome effect, which shows the white light when you unlock and get into your car. And finally there's also a climate effect, which changes the lights from red to blue depending how hot or cold the climate control is. So we're now in the GLB 200. As you can see, the M-Book system might look a little bit different, but all the same settings are still there and it all still applies. So you've still got your full colour wheel, your multicolour settings, as well as your welcome and climate settings. So depending on the model, the ambient lighting is also in different places. So here we have it on the vents, the dash and the centre console, but there's not really a lot going on the roof or in the back. If you like this video, make sure to go down to the comment section and let us know what feature we should go through next. And also remember to drop us a like and subscribe.